In just 3 months, my channel got monetized. In this video, I will share the mistakes I made and the tricks I used to achieve monetization. Hi, I am Nasima. My channel got monetized in just 3 months and I honestly never expected this. So today, I am going to share my full YouTube journey with you. In this video, I will explain the mistakes I made, the tricks I used, what I learned along the way. And at the end, I will also talk about my earnings. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, let's get into the video. I started my YouTube channel on July 4th, 2025. When I started, I didn't know much about content creation, video editing or how YouTube works. At first, I uploaded other people's videos on my channel. But that was a big mistake because using others' content can make your channel ineligible for monetization. After uploading 10 to 15 videos, I didn't get many views, so I stopped uploading for a while. During that time, I watched videos from tech channels and learned more about YouTube. That's when I realized the importance of creating original content and learning small tips to grow views and subscribers. After 1 week, I started uploading again, this time with my own content. When I uploaded my first video again, I got 1000 plus views. I was so happy because it was the first time any of my videos reached 1000 views. Before that, my videos used to get only 200 to 300 views. After using some simple tricks, my views started increasing into the thousands and I also started getting more subscribers. The first important trick is the description of the video. Every video must have a description. In the description, we should write what the video is about and what value it gives to viewers. We should also add relevant trending hashtags in the description. And the second trick is tags. By adding proper tags to the video, it can reach more people and appear in the feed. And the third important trick is the title and hashtags. Write a proper title that is related to your video and use trending hashtags that match your content. The fourth trick is to hide the likes and views on your video. If viewers see very low likes or views, they may skip the video. When you hide them, people focus more on the content instead of the numbers. And the fifth trick is to allow audio and video remixing. This allows other creators to use your video, which can help your content reach more people and get more views. And the sixth trick is to add a strong hook at the beginning of your video. A good hook keeps viewers interested and helps them stay engaged until the end. The seventh trick is your thumbnail. A good, clear and attractive thumbnail makes more people want to click on your video. Add text on your thumbnail that is related to your video. This text helps viewers understand what the video is about and increases your chances of getting more views. And the eighth trick is to use your original voice. When you use your own voice, YouTube is more likely to push your videos. And the ninth trick is to upload at the same time, consistently. This helps viewers recognize your posting schedule and improves your chances of getting more views. And the last and final 10th trick is to be consistent. Don't skip uploading videos. By using all these tricks and staying consistent, my channel got monetized in just 3 months. On October 3, 2025, I received an email from YouTube saying that I had become a YouTube partner. That moment was very special for me because it proved that my effort and patience were worth it. This journey taught me that success on YouTube doesn't come overnight. It comes from learning, improving and never giving up. At the beginning, I made mistakes, but those mistakes helped me grow step by step. I learned how to create better content, understand the algorithm and connect with viewers. Today I am still learning and still improving, but I am proud of how far I have come. If you are also starting a YouTube channel, remember one thing. Believe in yourself, create your original content, stay consistent and never quit. If I can do it, you can do it too. If you want to know about my earnings, comment earning below. I will upload my next video sharing my YouTube earnings from both shorts and long videos. If you found this helpful, please share this video so it can reach new YouTubers who are struggling and need this information. Comment your questions below. I will reply to each and everyone. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more useful content.